Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn company page. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Then first up, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Now go to the top right and click on For Business. Alright, click on it. Now at the very bottom, you have create a company page with a plus sign. So what you'll do is just click on it. There you go. Now go ahead and click on company. Alright, click on it. Now go ahead and add in your company name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in Made for Money. As you can see, already in use because I've used this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in 2. Then add in your website URL right here. And the industry, maybe just education. Just for example. All right. Organization size, it's up to you. Type right here. Self-employed maybe. Yours may be different. Okay. Go ahead and select what is necessary. Once done, go ahead and upload your photo or company logo. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and add in random photos right here. And then your tagline. All right. Once you've added your tagline right here, there'll be a preview right here at the top right. Okay. Now, all you'll do is just click on I verify that I'm an authorized representative. Okay. Just click on create page right here. And after that, you'll be logged into your LinkedIn company page. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.